So yeah folks, we are working on the 2011 Camry, where we are about to replace the water pump, which is that boy that is sitting over there, as probably you guys are seeing. So our first step is to drain the coolant. As you can see, already took off the cap and I just jacked up the car so that I can have access to the water drain for the radiator, which is that guy that you're seeing. So we will be opening it up, drain the coolant to be able to remove the water pump without draining as much coolant as possible. So to remove this pump, it's quite easy. You have 5 12mm bolts that are being held. Let me just get this close. So if you can see, you have one right there on the top, you have another one sitting right here on the side, and also you will need to remove that electrical plug that's connected over there. Also, you don't need to disconnect this positive cable that goes to the AC compressor. You just need to work around it and you should be able to remove the water pump. So as you guys are seeing over there, we disconnected this cable that goes to the water pump. Also we removed this bracket from this cable and that one, and the other one just right there on the bottom. I'll show you that other one. So with this we are able to move this cable and be able to remove the bolts while we are removing the pump.
Nós estamos a sofrer através dos outros dirigentes. Moçambique está a fornecer muitos países em termos de recursos, não só África do Sul, Malawi, Tanzânia, há países que dependem da África do Sul.
Sim, de Moçambique. So we got the old pump off, and definitely it is quite difficult to turn it. And this is the brand new, and you have the part number over there. So the old one was from Toyota Camry, and you can see on this one also it's brand new from Toyota Camry. It's easier to turn compared to that one. This one you actually have to do a lot of force to turn it, while this one it's easier to turn. You can see that I can turn this one with my finger, but that one I can't. So that's the major problem. So what we need to do next is to go on the car and assemble this one without forgetting to add the new seal, and we should be ready to go. So we are done here folks. As you may be seeing over there, the water pump is installed. You just need to do the reverse procedure. In order to tighten it up, you just tighten the five bolts, you add back the clamps, you add the connector, and should be good. So now it's just time to top up some coolant, and we should be able to start up the car and check the diagnosis and see what kind of if we are getting the water pump rotating as you show on the previous diagnosis. I will just post the link of the diagnosis of this vehicle just right here on the corner so you guys can check it out. So right now we have the diagnosis tool connected into the OBD port. We just have the ignition on, and we just want to see if we do have any error logged on the system. Yeah, so far you guys can see over there we are about 80 degrees centigrades of temperature, and we have the target electrical water pump target speed at 175, and the actual water pump speed is 250, which is good. And so far you can see that the check engine light is gone. No check engine light anymore. So right now we are testing out the vehicle, and as you guys can see over there, no check engine light so far. The vehicle is driving as it should, no compromises. The power has been restored. The temperature has been sitting on around 86 and 87 degrees. So yeah, we can now call it a day. And we are done, folks. As you guys are seeing over there, no leaks at all. The hoses are flexing as they should. The temperature is stable and steady. So we are just happy with the outcomes. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to leave your like, your comment, and I see you soon. Cheers.